snowstorm 2023. Fortunately, wasn't too fate as expected, but the snow has finished its route. um, it has finished its atmosphere of falling, but it deposited at least a foot and a half of snow in the upper upstate region in Schenectady, New York. And this is what the streets looks like in Schenectady, and of course snowfall 2023 in Albany area, Schenectady area, the upper upstate region, which in Saratoga there are much more, like about 2 feet of snow, yeah. Well, the temperature has risen above the freezing level, which is 32 degrees. So it's pretty much melting rapidly. The bad thing, if this should freeze, if the temperature goes below 32 degrees, then this is going to be all ice. Becker Street. I'm going to go down Robinson. Just want to show you very treacherous to drive at this time. This is the piles of snow. Big snowfall 2023, and it's wet snow that fell in the region at this time. It is wet snow that fell, so it has accumulated pretty much. Look at that, folks. See the amount of snow that fell in upstate Schenectady and much more of the upstate regions. And of course the plow is in action there, trying to get, what do you call it, a grader? So this is how you clear the streets. In the Caribbean, what do you call it? Grader. In America, of course, they call it snow plow, yeah. So this is a way how the city usually clean the atmosphere of the snowfall to keep the roadways clear. It's a lot of snow, right? Yeah, Schenectady area. Mountains of snow piled up. That's another machinery that they used. Look at that. Mountains of snow, folks. Snowstorm 2023 dumped so much snow in the Schenectady area. Luckily, they have treated the roadway with salt and graded it or plowed it, so it's pretty much clear. Just a little glimpse right here to show you the amount of snow that fell in upstate region, Schenectady, Albany, Troy, Clifton Park, and much more of the upstate area. Until the next one, Jim Boy's Kitchen saying, take care of yourself and be kind to someone that's not kind to you. Kindness will prevail. Right there, folks, see where that my finger is pointing will become solid ice if the temperature should go below 32 degrees. Because as it becomes liquid, it's melting, it suddenly froze into solid ice. That's what's make it treacherous, all right? Yeah.
Believe. And so the donor thought they were giving to a school that believed as they did. Then the school shifts and says, well, no, actually what we believe is X instead.
As everyone is trying to do some shopping to make sure they got grocery, not expecting, don't know what to expect later on, if it's going to continue falling. Right now it's kind of sleeting, with which is like freezing rain falling down at this time. Beautiful, huh? One of the chicken place. What's up, man?
Hi, how are you?
Two legs and a tie, man.
2 leg in a tie?
Yeah. Got some chicken right here.
Anything else with that?
That's it. Going on here. For the weather, for the snow weather, I want to get some chicken. I want to get some chicken here from this gentleman here. Look at that. Oh, man, delicious. Say hi to the people, man. Yeah. Got some chicken.
Alright, that's it?
Yeah, that's it. Looking good. And this is right, man, this is a wonderful chicken place. Put some ketchup. Oh, that's it. Try the bad boy. Oh man, CFC, you know, it's a good chicken spot where you could buy a fast meal if you're hungry. Like I'm kind of hungry right now. But I want to give it a flavor. I want to try it. Try it, see what it tastes like. See? Pretty good. Soft in texture. Flavor. Add some ketchup on it. Until the next one, folks. Just bring you a little glimpse of the aftermath of the snowfall. And now it's kind of a sleeting, which let's hope it doesn't become ice. I'm pretty sure it's going to be ice because the temperature is going to drop down a little bit and melt again. Seems like if the temperature should stay above 32 degrees, then this is going to melt pretty fast. So lots of snow to be melted. It's going to melt in a couple of weeks or so. All right, until the next one. Thank you for watching. Join me as I bring to you atmosphere of upstate and much more. Like that piece of chicken I just had. Yeah. And that was from the CFC. Bye, everybody. So it's not expected, it's not as too bad as estimated, even though there's a big storm right here. Lots of snow fell, over 6 feet. See? Yeah. Actually not over 6 feet. Got you there. Over a foot of snow, piled up about 6 feet, all right? Yeah.